In today's videos, I'm sharing clever, low-cost hacks and ideas to make the most of your balcony garden. Hi, I'm Cedric. Welcome back to my garden channel. I live in Paris and my balcony is big, but it's not huge. Still, I found creative ways to grow more, save time and water, and spend less. Some of these hacks I use all the time. Others I've just discovered and want to try. Either way, I think you will find them useful. Let's get into it. Let's start with saving space by growing vertically. You can turn the null palette into a living wall. Just line the rows with fabric, fill them with soil, and plant herbs, strawberries or lettuce. You can hang the palette or lean it against a wall. I also like using rope or macrame to hang small spots, especially for trailing herbs. And simple items work too. A shower caddy makes a great mini rack. Or try a shoe organizer with pockets. Each one becomes a mini planter. Great for herbs or flowers. Next, let's make watering easier and more efficient. One of my favorites is the upside down bottle trick. You just poke a few holes in the cap, fill the bottle, and bury it near the roots. It releases water slowly for a few days. Another smart one is the wick system. You run a piece of fabric or string from a jar of water to your pot. It draws up water gradually. Perfect if you are away for the weekend or if you are on holidays. You can also try a double pot setup. Place a smaller pot inside a large one with water or clay balls in the space between. That way the roots drink from below. Or go with the oasis system. A buried clay pot filled with water slowly hydrates the soil around it. Simple but effective. Let's talk bugs and how to keep them away naturally. If you spot them early, it's usually easy to manage. I use a spray made of water, black soap and a bit of oil. Just mist it gently on the leaves. For stronger pests, a garlic and chili spray can work wonders. Let it steep overnight, strain it and spray it directly. You can also plant basil, mint or marigolds around your pots. Their scent naturally keeps some pests away. And for things like whiteflies, sticky yellow trap do the trick. Just coat a piece of yellow cardstock with oil or honey and hang it nearby. Now let's turn food waste into plant food. Coffee grounds are great for leafy greens. Just sprinkle lightly around the base. Crushed eggshells add calcium, which is perfect for tomatoes, for example. You can also soak banana peels in water overnight and use that water to feed fruiting plants. Same goes for rice rinse water. It's full of gentle nutrients. Little things, but they really make a big difference. Want to start new plants without spending too much? Here are a few easy ideas. Egg cartons are perfect for seedlings. Fill each cell with soil and plant a seed. Once it sprouts, you can plant the whole thing. The carton will break down in the soil. Yogurt cups or old cans also work well. Just clean them and poke a hole at the bottom. And citrus peels? They make tiny biodegradable pots. Plant the seedlings inside, and when it's ready, just pop the whole peel into your planter. You can also regrow veggies like lettuce or green onions from kitchen scraps. Place the base in water, let the roots grow back, and replant. A few more ideas to keep your balcony tidy and efficient. Use a rolling cart. With shelves, you can move it with the sun or tuck it away when needed. Turn small metal tins into planters by adding magnets to the back. Stick them to anything metal like a railing. Use storage benches to hide tools and soil. And stack wooden crates vertically to create growing levels. Let's quickly recap the hacks. Grow vertical with pallets, caddies and organizers. Water smart using bottles, wicks, oyas or reservoir. Use natural pest control, soap spray, garlic spray, companion plants. Feed your plants with kitchen scraps. Start seeds with recycled containers. Stay organized with carts, crates and hidden storage. Pick a couple that feel easy for you to start with. You don't need to do them all, just what fits your space. Want a full step-by-step guide? I create a free 8-page beginner PDF filled with hacks like this. Tips, tools and easy plant ideas. Just enter your email and I will send it to you. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which hack you will try first. See you next time, and until then, don't forget to grow your seedlings.